Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Toyota Corolla LE. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan in slate metallic. And under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include a sunroof, a backup camera, and heated mirrors for the convenience you crave. Now why don't we head on inside and see what else this Corolla has to offer. So helping us into our Corolla LE, we have our key fob, we have the lock and unlock, and then the trunk latch button, plus we do have our panic button. So press the unlock button once, it'll unlock the driver's side door, and twice will unlock all 4 doors. If you look closely here, we do have our heated mirrors, which is a fantastic option to have in the winter time. We'll open up and check out our door. We have some nice detailing along our door right here, some nice metal detailing, as well as some black pearlescent detailing right there. And then we have the window buttons, the lock and unlock, plus the window lock buttons. Some storage space underneath there as well. And then we also have the seat adjusters, and then we have some nice detailing on our seat as well. Plus, as an added bonus, we have the trunk latch and then the gas cap latch. It's always nice to know where those two are. Just to the left of the wheel, we have the heated steering wheel plus rain sensing windshield wipers, and then we have the mirror adjuster as well just to the left there. So we'll grab a seat. Pop our key in. And get explaining. Alright, so we have our instrument panel here, nice and easy to look at. I'm going to be using this display button to cycle through our center display, looking at our different readouts we can get, so average speed, consumption rates, any sort of meter settings and whatnot. And this is for our lane departure assist as well. So 57,098 kilometers on here, so lots of life left, barely driven if you ask me. So we have the mode changer on the steering wheel. That changes our audio system. We'll just pop this over here and go from audio, Bluetooth, all of those right there. Make sure that the volume is down. We're not gonna get somebody chatting over me. So that's the left-hand side. We have the volume buttons, plus we have the channel changer as well. On the right-hand side, like I said, the display button, plus we have the voice recognition, and then hands-free calling, lane departure assist, as well as dynamic radar cruise control. Cruise control being behind our right hand as well. Looking at our entertainment system, we're on the Bluetooth audio portion. We can press the audio, and then we can go from Bluetooth to AM, FM, USB, CD, and auxiliary. Clicking car will give us our consumption rates, looking at our past record of how we've been driving. Maybe it's time to adjust the way we drive, or maybe we're doing a great job, we'll be able to know. And then I'm just gonna shift into reverse and show you the backup camera, nice and crisp image, letting us know where we got to go, and giving us an extra set of eyes in the back of our head there. So popping into park, safety first. Looking down at our central climate system right here, all easily adjusted via paddle. That's all it is, up and down. Then we have the air conditioning for those hot summer months, and then we have the defrost for the winter months as well. So air circulation for inner and outdoor circulation. Plus below, we have the heated seats. My butt's all toasty. And then we also have the 12-volt DC plug-in, and then USB and auxiliary plug-in as well, with some room for space underneath. And then the gear shift, plus we have the traction control button, and then we have 2 cup holders with a removable insert. We can check out our little glove box, or our center console here, lots of space inside there. Plus our glove box in front of our passenger, we can open this up, and there's room for anything you might need to pop in there, just kind of getting them out of the way and getting them hidden. Another thing to show you is we do have the controls for the sunroof. So right there, all easily pressed it to open and close, and then to angle it up and down. Nice and easy right there. And if we need to close it, we have the sunshade. So lots of options in this Corolla LE. And why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So we'll take a look at the immense trunk space that the Corolla has. In order to get in, we'll just press our trunk latch button and it'll open right up. So looking in here, we have a lot of space, lots of room for anything you might need to pop in there. Plus we have the 60/40 splitting rear seat to give us room in case you want to pop some skis, maybe a ladder in there. Underneath, we do have our spare tire, and then we do have our all-weather floor mats as well, so that's a nice bonus. close that up. Take a nice look at the rear of our Corolla. Now let's take a last look at our 2017 Toyota Corolla LE. Some other features include a 6.1-inch touchscreen entertainment system with Bluetooth connectivity and Toyota Safety Sense for the features that you expect. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so come on in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton in the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.